What's her favorite color? What's his middle name? If your bestie saw someone drop money on the street, would they keep it? Can you answer these questions? Well, our guests think they can. Abby and Gabby are sisters, but they also are besties. I'm Alicia, and welcome to How Well Do You Know Your Besties? Welcome, ladies. Are you ready for the ultimate best friend test?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. So before we get started, sisters by blood, besties is a choice. I would never be best friends with my sister. So give me a little history.
Well, Abby and I were like the dynamic duo. We're polar opposites, yet we have so much in common, if you get what I mean. But we have known each other like forever, and we tend to, the interest that we tend to share the most is music and dancing.
Ooh.
So, I mean, if you have a sister that can do it as well as good as you do it, I mean, that's awesome.
That's great because my sister used to dance, but no bestie. Like, what's your favorite type of music to listen?
Well, mine would be reggae and dancehall, of course. However, but with me and my sister, we do a lot of contemporary, there's a pop, dancing, and those are the stuff that we enjoy. You know, we also like to create our own little stage, you know, and also, you know, empower each other at our own unique talents, because my sister is a very good dancer and I like to perform and sing. So, you know, we complement each other. I sing and she dances. It's just a beautiful combination.
I love it. So, we did a time cost earlier, and Abby decided that Gabby is going to go first. So, let's get to it, ladies. What's Abigail's best favorite childhood toy or game?
All right.
Okay.
We have a swing at home. Yeah. So whenever she comes to visit, she'll be always swinging on the swing.
You see that I don't know myself, she's right, you know. But I usually love to.
The answers don't match.
I was gonna say karaoke. I kid you not.
But I should have said swing because that's what I was looking for.
Those are the
doing
two
every
main
time.
things, and she said it earlier
The two
too.
main things. You see? What's Abby's favorite movie or television series?
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. No, my goodness.
God.
Alright, you know what? I think I should go with my gut. I am not going with my gut.
You know what?
That is true. It's love and hip hop.
How you feel about that one?
Well, I thought she was going to know because, you know, Spice is my favorite artist, and I just make sure I watch it. I was watching it even before Spice was on it. When she came on it, it was like, voila, perfect.
If Abby could travel anywhere in the world, where would she go first?
Paris.
Paris. Abby?
I was going to write Paris, but
oh my God!
I was thinking about Paris.
I thought you were drawing the Eiffel Tower.
I think so too.
We're digging up some memories. It can be recent. It can be from childhood. What's the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to Abby?
There's so many. Oh my God. There's so many. Apparently I know a lot. What do you know?
I don't know.
So her slippers. When Spice visited.
Yes.
Oh my God. And she's like your favorite, your idol.
She is
doppelganger.
What?
And she give me a little Spice vibe, you know.
Yeah.
She give me a Spice vibe. I'm not like, look at it. Oh my God, you get one. Yay!
This was it. But you know, it was, as she said, it was also empowering too, because I had a song called Determined, and I could have turned back because I realized that my slippers popped, but I was like, I want to meet Spice, so I would just, you know, came and I met her and I spoke with her and she said, you know what, you're determined to treat a girl, and that was good. It was a good for me.
If Abby could meet any celebrity, who would she choose and why?
It's hard.
I'm joking. Initially I had Beyonce, but since we narrowed it to dancehall, I'm gonna say Shenseea.
Okay. Let's see what
crazy again, fresh like whoa. And then we did
Shoot.
Oh my.
yeah.
So earlier we asked Gabby questions about Abby. So now we're going to ask Abby questions about Gabby. Alright, girlies. Let's see if Gabby can pass the test. Are you ready, Abby?
Yes.
Alright. If Gabby were to dye her hair, what color would she choose and why? Okay, let's see.
Two different answers.
Two different. Burgundy and brown. And she has burgundy in. So, what's Gabby's favorite thing to eat?
Oh my god. Thanks for the easy question.
Show us the answer.
She loved curry mutton. Yeah?
She loves curry mutton.
She loved.
What was the answer?
She cooked curry mutton yesterday.
I love curry mutton, but for some reason I don't know if it's because I'm feeling for a fish sandwich right now. Why that came to
Oh
mind.
my god, that's so far off.
I
You're
know.
going off your feelings. Mr. Let's open your earrings and then go for your feelings.
Yes.
What's Gabby's biggest fear? Give us the reveal.
Technically,
It's I can give you
yeah, I would give her, yeah, because
it can result in you
Yeah.
dying.
You know, that's what I wrote first, right? And I wrote it out.
Ah,
That's what I wrote first.
you guys are
so
in
we,
sync.
yeah.
The
That's what I wrote
answers,
first.
the answers may not come out on the board, but I see you guys are in sync.
Yes.
You're in
I'm
sync.
glad I can see that. Okay.
If Gabby could have any superpower, what would it be? Okay. Huh?
Invisible?
You'd want to be invisible?
Yes.
If Gabby was in a sticky situation, who would be the first person she would call? Let me see the answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, her
I
dad
know.
passed away recently. Yeah.
If either of you were to win the lottery, what would be the first thing you'd likely do or purchase? They're going to for each person.
I must spend all my money on it. It must be like the first thing you can buy. You can treat yourself to some food at one expensive restaurant.
So after I collect the money, I'm gonna buy some food and then, okay.
Would you do that though?
I would.
She's not wrong. She isn't wrong. But then you're going into investments. Okay, great.
Definitely.
You guys are here. Your besties.
Yes.
We got some certies for the besties. Let's do the certies for the besties. So we got certies for the besties.
I love that.
Yeah. This is going on my resume, by the way.
Yes, please. So certies for the besties.
Wow, thank you very
Thank you
much.
so
Oh
much.
my god, and I love that you guys joined us today. I love the dynamic.
Thank you for having us.
And that's it for How Well Do You Do Your Besties. Thanks to Abby and Gabby for joining us. We really had a great time. Friendships and bonds, very important. So if you have that special one in your life, just let them know. Thanks for joining us.